on behalf of the Europe of Freedom and Democracy group to Earl of Dartmouth.
There is a credible sounding justification for each one of the four financing instruments with which the Parliament is being presented today. However, taken together, their collective aim, is to advance and promote the political and foreign policy agenda of the European Commission. Now, the Commissioner made that very clear with his customary precision and clarity earlier on, for which I must thank him. Now, we all know by now who's going to be paying for this: the hard-pressed taxpayer, and obviously, and as usual, disproportionately, the British taxpayer. Now, the exact cost of these financing instruments is still, despite the best efforts of my colleagues yesterday and first thing this morning, is still unknown. So once again, the Commission are being profligate and irresponsible with other people's money, and this is why we will not be supporting either proposal.
Herzlichen Dank.
Thank you very much indeed. There's a blue card.
Mr. Leichtfried, do you accept that? Well, bitte schön, Herr Leichtfried.
Go ahead, Mr. Leichtfried. You have 30 seconds. Mr. Dartmouth, one thing struck me in your speech. You always try to talk about the British taxpayer. You always mention them. I'd be interested to know whether you look upon yourself exclusively as the representative of a small group in the UK, or do you really feel that you are a representative of the European Union?
Bitte schön, 30 Sekunden.
You have 30 seconds to respond.
Sorry, can I respond? I did mention both the EU taxpayer and the British taxpayer in my speech, but I was, however, elected by people in Britain, not by people anywhere else, so I regard my prime responsibility as being to represent the British taxpayer. But my heart also goes out for the hard-pressed EU taxpayer who's all in other countries, not least your own in Austria, which is a contributing nation, whose money is also being wasted in the construction of these vain and fragile empires.
So, herzlichen Dank.
Thank you very much. Now let's go back to the speakers list, and Ms. Brantner.